Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones JBL Live 300 TWS. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. First of all, turn over your headphones. You can see USB-C port. So you can connect USB-C cable to this port to charging. We can see LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second option is to use your phone. So you should have a USB-C cable to USB-C cable. If your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should want to have a Lightning to USB-C or micro USB to USB-C. So connect a cable to your phone and to your headphones. And again, we can see LED light, so it means that it's charging. These headphones doesn't support wireless charging, so you can't use a wireless charging station or reverse wireless on your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!